Alright guys, today we're talking about our new product, the helmet scrim. It'll come in a package just like this with a helmet scrim, a length of shock cord, and a micro cord lock. To set it up, I recommend starting at the back of the helmet scrim and just simply weaving the shock cord through each of the included mounting holes. When you get back around to the other side, just simply tuck the shock cord through the micro cord lock and tie an overhand knot. When you're done, it'll look a little something like this. And now to install it on a helmet, take the included NVG shroud cutout on the front, place it over your NVG shroud, pull the rear of the scrim to the back of the helmet, and then we can take a section of this shock cord and pull it over the wings of the helmet, like so. Additionally, if you're running a helmet cover, they have Velcro tabs often that they use to attach to the helmet. You can pull those over the shock cord for an additional way to secure the helmet scrim. If you have any questions, check out our Instagram page or send us an email on our website and go check it out. It's live now, folks.